morning from day two, my pretty princesses, charming princes. Let's go grab some Moroccan traditional breakfast. So after that breakfast, we are now heading out to start our day. We have 2-3 places in mind. Oh my gosh, it's super hot. We're thinking we'll go to the Secret Garden, the museum, the market square, and then we'll have something for lunch. And then night we might go for a cocktail bar. It's around 44 degrees. I'm basically melting. So let's catch you around. This entire section is basically just a mini commercial for Coca-Cola, and I don't know if this LV is original or what, but it's just these patterns and feels like you've come to a mall with a lot of Coca-Cola crates. We just got done with the entire museum in like 15 minutes. It's super hot, so you feel exhausted, but it's, I would say, okay. But there's a great coffee place inside called Bacha Coffee, which had like 1 hour waiting. We wanted to go there, but it's super crowded and you don't really have 1 hour. There's not a lot to do. If you like art, you'll find this kind of art everywhere. There are special exhibitions as well. So I would say you can maybe skip this. It's okay-ish, in my opinion. If you love art, you'll love this. So let's go to the next stop. I thought we'll pick some iced coffee. Let's see. Guys, गन्ने का जूस ब्रेक.
गन्ने का जूस बड़ा गिलास 20 रुपए का. इधर इधर चले आइए.
Guys, look at this tree. For the first time, I'm seeing a tree from cactus, but I'm not sure if it's a cactus. But it has a lot of thorns. We came to this cafe and this garden. The seating is like this. Nice and pretty. But the seat is burning because it's so hot. But he's ordered a chilled beer. I've ordered a iced coffee. One of the few places where you get alcohol in Morocco. So let's see. We came to this random place because there's fan. We are almost done with this entire Secret Garden, which is great. It's peaceful, a lot of greenery, but it's super humid. It's around 47 degrees and we're just melting. So now I think we'll just look for a place that has AC, grab some lunch. Yep. So we plan to go to the Le Jardin restaurant. The restaurant, which is actually of the Secret Gardens. It looked very aesthetic, very nice and vibey. It was just 2 minutes away, and then Deepak decided he needs a haircut. So we just showed a barber that, oh, we are interested, and he said, and he did not leave us at all. He said, now you have to get a haircut. So we told we are very hungry and we need to grab some lunch. So he said, okay, I'll suggest you a place, go there. It's quite tasty, cheap Moroccan traditional food. So we came here and there's absolutely nobody, but the vibes are 10 on 10. So I'm not really hungry, I'm really thirsty. So let's see how the barber recommendation is, and then Deepak will have a haircut. So all the best to him. How do you feel about this place? It has a nice water spray, so that's keeping us a little cool. I don't know why I'm blabbering so much. See you when the lunch is here. Garmi se behal, guys. It's really hot, and because of his long hair, he's also sweating a lot. So he has a neer dosa on his head. He's begged me to vlog him drinking mojitos, so here we are. By the way, we moved downstairs from upstairs because it was really hot. This is the 150th time in this vlog that I'm saying it's humid and hot, but it is. And now we've come to this private setting with just one table and a lot of carpets around. To see. Guys, we have lamb tajin with chicken pastilla, which is a Moroccan chicken pastry. Bon appetit. Hello guys, stepping out for dinner. It's Deepak's birthday tomorrow, so he's treating me with a very grand dinner tonight. So we're going to this cocktail bar called Le Smilny. Dada hai to udhar? After I go there, I'll tell you what the name is. But that's where we are heading now. It looks like a really nice, pretty, cozy, vibey cocktail bar. And right now it's not sunny, it's still humid. But it's perfect because the heat is not hitting you. We'll see you around at the cocktail bar. I'm going to eat a lot because I'm hungry, but I don't think I'm going to vlog all of it. So I'll just show you how the place is and then we'll see you later or tomorrow. Catch me if you can. I don't know why I said that. Lord, Google is a scam. It said you need a reservation because it's a very crowded place. The crowd is the rooftop is actually lit. Let me show you. For starters, we have some sea bream ceviche and some bread. That is the lamb leg and then the lemon chicken curry. Guys, for dessert we ordered creme brulee, which I thought will be a tiny portion, but let me show you how big it is. This is the pistachio creme brulee and the bowl is bigger than my face. This is my hand for reference. 3 times my hand. Wow, it's a great way to have dessert. Guys, even after being careful, we did fall in a trap of a scam because we came for dinner and you see that door that's closed. It's basically the market that's closed, and then there are random people saying the gate is closed, and then they'll help you. They'll pretend that, oh, you are lost, let me help you, and then they'll get you towards the escape route, but then they start asking money. And he said, I don't want dirhams, I want euros. And I said, we don't have euros, we only use card. But so as I was saying, I had to keep my phone inside because he also said that a lot of people going on the motorbikes snatch your phone. So what I was saying is people will pretend that they're helping you, but it's basically a trap. I gave him 20 dirhams and he's like, this is not enough. This is for small kids, give me euros. But yeah, I can see a few more scammers ahead. Let's just be careful. I don't know where I stopped because there were a lot of people. So yeah, just be safe. I'll make another video of what to do, what to be careful about when in Morocco, and we'll see you there. It was a great day, a very tiring one. We had a great meal, but tomorrow we are going to the luxury tent in a desert, which I'm really desert, which I'm really excited for. So I'll make a separate video on that. I'll see you there. Bye.